Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2020 Porsche Macan. This Porsche is powered by all-wheel drive i4 engine, manual transmission, and has 66,462 miles. Elevate your driving experience with this stunning 2020 Porsche Macan. Combining luxury, performance, and style, this versatile SUV is ready for any adventure. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of the Porsche legacy. Drive it today. This pre-owned Macan comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Porsche Macan is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.